Inhale, press evenly into both palms. Exhale, step your right foot in between your hands. Inhale, sweep your arms forward and up into High Lunge. Exhale, sink into the pose and try to bring your front thigh parallel with the mat. Relax your shoulders, palms face each other, shoulder width apart. Press back through your left heel to straighten your back leg. Seal your lips and stay here for a few breaths. Last inhale, reach up to your fingertips. Exhale, bring your hands forward to the mat. You can either step back to plank and change sides or jump to switch legs. Inhale, sweep your arms forward and up into High Lunge. Exhale, drop your hips and try to bring your front thigh parallel with the mat. Reach up to your fingertips, relax your shoulders and press back through your right heel to straighten your back leg. Try to hold the pose completely still for a few breaths. Last breath in, reach up. Exhale, bring your hands forward to the mat and step back to Downward Dog. Slowly walk your hands all the way back to your feet, feeling a gentle stretch in your hamstrings. Inhale, microbend your knees, look forward, and reverse swan dive up to standing with a straight spine. Exhale, bring your hands back down by your sides.